Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Tomorsi Wireless Earbuds, 50 hours playtime, Bluetooth earbuds built-in noise cancellation mic with charging case. Bluetooth headphones with bass stereo, IPX7 waterproof earbuds for iPhone and Android. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Tomorsi Wireless Earbuds. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Clear call and pocket design. With the latest call noise reduction technology, the J513A microphone captures your voice clearly and filters out external ambient noise so that the person you are talking to on the phone can hear you loud and clear. In addition, the J513A charging case is very compact, making it easy to carry in your hand or store in your pocket or bag without taking up too much space. IPX6 waterproof and digital power display. The internal components of the earbuds feature an IPX6 waterproof nano coating that completely protects the earbuds from damage by preventing sweat and moisture from soaking in. The LED power display on the top of the charging case allows you to easily check the remaining power of the case and the charging status of both earbuds. Once the two earbuds are placed back into the charging case and the lid is closed, both headphones will begin charging. HD stereo audio and easy operation. With 10mm speakers and the latest chips, our J513A noise-cancelling headphones deliver powerful bass, clear mids, and bright highs that will immerse you in your music. With smart touch controls, you can easily control play/pause, skip to previous/next track, adjust volume, answer/end calls, enable voice assistant, and more. This makes controlling music and video playback through these wireless Bluetooth earbuds very easy. Auto connect and the latest Bluetooth 5.3. Your device only needs to connect to the J513A Bluetooth headset once, and subsequent connections to the J513A Bluetooth wireless headset automatically connect when the case is opened. Together with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, our J513A noise-cancelling earbuds transmit device signals quickly and consistently, with no delays or signal quality degradation during music playback and calls. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.